Hello students, today we will start chapter 7 of history, tribes, nomads and settled communities. This is module 3 of this chapter. 2 modules we have already completed. Today we will start from Ahams. The Ahams migrated to the Brahmaputra valley from present-day Myanmar in 13th century. Students, during the 16th century, they annexed the kingdom in 1523 and Koj Hajo in 1581 and subjugated many other tribes. The Ahams built a large state using firearms as early as 1530s. By 1660, they could make high quality of gunpowder and cannons. In 1662, they were defeated by the Mughals and Mughal control could not long for last. The Aham state depended upon the forced labor. Students, by the first half of the 17th century, the administration became quite centralized. Aham city was divided into clans or khels. The Aham worshipped their tribal gods. During 1740 to 1744, Hinduism became the predominant religion. Now further we will see about the conflicts with the Mughal. Students, the Aham defeated the local ruler and expanded their territories. They put up a fight against Mughals also. Aurangzeb had managed and conquered Aham capital, but was unable to annex it to the Mughal Empire. However, the Aham lived as a vassal to the Mughal Empire like the Gonds in the central India. Administration. The Aham was introduced by a system of labor known as Parik system. Every male in the kingdom between ages 15 to 50 years who was not an autocrat, a priest or a slave had to serve as a parik and fight in times of war. A number of duties were assigned to parik, which includes military duties, labor during construction and other public services. Students, in return, they received 2 acres of land that was neither hereditary nor transferable. Since the Aham did not have the standing army, this parik system extremely useful to them. Paik was organized into a units called khel. The imperial cities of Grehgaon and Rangapur were built by Ahams. They also built the first architecture theatre of the region. From this building, the ruling family used to watch the sporting events or elephant fights. Rudra Singh, the most important Aham ruler, who ruled for 1696 to 1714 CE. Along with the later rulers, he compiled the historical works of the Ahams. In 19th century, the British defeated Ahams and occupied their territory. A small community of Aham continued to live as a tribal group in Assam today. Now we will talk about the society of the Ahams. Students, the Aham had a tribal setup. Their houses were made up of bamboo. Village community was very powerful and allotted land to peasants based on their needs. They cultivate food crop on these lands, especially rice. Religion. The Aham worshipped tribal gods around the 18th century. The Aham adopted Hinduism, but worship of tribal gods continued along with their tribal custom such as burying their deads. Considerable social changes also took place in the subcontinental during the medieval period. Varna-based society and tribal people constantly interacted with each other. The interaction caused both kinds of societies to adapt and change their many different tribes that they took up diverse livelihoods. Over a period of time, many of them merged with the caste-based society and others rejected to assimilate it and choose to live in their indigenous way. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you.